As we end the chapter on painting and texture, I want to go over one thing that can be a real roadblock if you don't know how to fix it. So I will just open up a file over here, and that you can find in the link in the description below. Now I have this model over here, and I have just opened it up, and you will notice that importing models that have texture maps and see how ZBrush works a little differently than you might expect. So in this model, I don't have the texture right now, but it is somewhere in my file. So I will bring the texture as well over here. So I have to go to the texture options here, down, and then I have to click on the texture map. So when I click on this texture map, I will just click on the import button here. And here is the texture, and I will select this, open it up, and as soon it will load, it will appear on my screen. But you will notice that things quite look not right. So the issue you're immediately going to see is that it doesn't look right, and this is because ZBrush interprets textures map differently than most other 3D software. If I would import the same object which I have here inside 3D Studio Max or Maya or any other 3D software, I would not have this issue that I am facing right now. Texture map can either be read top to bottom or bottom to top. Most software reads one way, ZBrush read the other way. That's why we have this issue. So the solution on this is either to flip the texture or to flip the way the texture is read into the model. So one way, a simple way to do that is you just go to your UV map option over here, and then you go to the adjust, and there is flip V, which will flip it on in the vertical direction here. So if I will click a flip a V here, now it looks perfect because it has been now flipped vertically. Now other way to fix this is to, let me undo whatever I have done so far. Okay, and suppose I have this texture and the same texture, but I will bring this texture from here. I will go to the texture option on the top. I will click over here on this texture option, and then I will import the same texture. Press open, and you will notice that this texture will be loaded over here. Okay, let me do it again one more time. Here it is. Okay, so once it is imported, I will just click on this texture, the one that I have recently uploaded, and it should show on here. Okay, once this will show, what I can do over here is that I will take this texture which is now moved over here as well to my texture option. So I will click on my texture map over here, click on this, and just see this is the one I have imported. So as soon as I will click here, I will have the same issue. But if I will go back to the texture, I have here flip V, which is flip vertical basically. So if I will click on flip V here, it will flip it. Then I have to go back to my texture map, click on it again, and click on my texture again as it is flipped. So now you will see that it is fixed. So this is another way to do that. But I found the way to fix it from the UV map much more easier and simpler. So to put it in a nutshell, just remember that ZBrush flips texture upside down relative to how most software interprets the texture. This can also be an issue when exporting models. So if you're exporting the through the standard export, for example by going to this texture option and clicking the export button, so in the other application now it will be flipped. So to export you have to flip it back as it was before, and then you have to export it. Because in a ZBrush, it have to be upside down, but if you're exporting it to other applications like 3D Studio Max, like Maya, so you have to turn back into the regular direction. So this is what you have to keep it in your mind when you're doing this. So I hope you have understood this, what is the issue and how to resolve the problem, how you want to export it, and when you are importing, how you will resolve this. So if this video you have found useful and you haven't learned something new here, so please click on the like button. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below, and I will highly appreciate if you will simply just share my video on your YouTube, on your social media accounts, so that your other friends can also subscribe to my channel, because I need subscriber at this point, which will help me to create more content, because it will really motivate me. So till we meet in the next class, we will start in the next chapter. So take care and keep supporting me, everyone.